Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about workout routines for beginners, intermediate, and advanced fitness levels. When starting your fitness journey, it can be overwhelming to know what kind of workout routine to follow. So, in this video, I will break down the best workout routines for each fitness level to help you reach your fitness goals. Beginner workout routine. If you are just starting out, it's important to start with the basics. A beginner workout routine should focus on building a strong foundation and improving overall fitness. A full-body workout routine, consisting of compound exercises, is the best place to start. Compound exercises target multiple muscle groups, making them an efficient way to build strength and burn calories. Here are some exercises that you can include in your beginner workout routine. 1. Squats 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. 2. Lunges 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. 3. Push-ups 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. 4. Dumbbell rows 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. 5. Plank 3 sets of 30 seconds. Start with 2 to 3 workouts per week and gradually increase as you feel more comfortable. Intermediate workout routine. If you have been working out for a while and are looking to take your fitness to the next level, an intermediate workout routine is the way to go. An intermediate workout routine should challenge you, while still allowing for recovery time. A split routine, where you target different muscle groups on different days, is a good option for intermediate fitness levels. Here are some exercises that you can include in your intermediate workout routine. Day 1. 1. Bench press 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. 2. Pull-ups 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. 3. Overhead press 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. 4. Bicep curls 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. 5. Tricep extensions 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Day 2. 1. Deadlifts 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. 2. Squats 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. 3. Leg press 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. 4. Calf raises 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Day 3. Rest day or cardio such as running, cycling or swimming. Advanced workout routine. For those who have been working out for a while and are ready for a challenge, an advanced workout routine is the way to go. An advanced workout routine should be intense and require a lot of energy, but it should also allow for enough recovery time. Here are some exercises that you can include in your advanced workout routine. Day 1. 1. Bench press 5 sets of 5 reps. 2. Pull-ups 5 sets of 5 reps. 3. Dumbbell flies 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. 4. Bent over rows 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Day 2. 1. Squats 5 sets of 5 reps. 2. Deadlifts 5 sets of 5 reps. 3. Leg press 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. 4. Lunges 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Day 3. 1. Overhead press 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps. 2. Barbell curls 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps. 3. Tricep dips 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps. 4. Lateral raises 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. 5. Hammer curls 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Day 4. Rest day or cardio such as running, cycling, or swimming. Now that you have a better understanding of the best workout routines for each fitness level, you can start planning your own workout routine. Remember to start with the basics, and gradually increase the intensity as you get stronger. Always make sure to include rest days, and listen to your body to prevent injury. With consistency and dedication, you will be on your way to achieving your fitness goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness content.